In this video, you're going to learn about version history in Google Docs. So every time you are editing your document, Google Docs is keeping track of all the changes that are happening to your document. Let's say you have a passage that you deleted area here, but you want it back. You realize that actually you want the previous version of this document back. Well, Google Docs has been keeping the changes, keeping track of all the changes that's been happening, and it has been keeping the versions of these documents. Because this document has gone through many different versions, all the versions that have happened on this document, they're going to be found under the version history. So now, where do you find the version history here in the computer? You can actually find it under the file, and here you're going to see version history option. You follow it. This side you're going to see version history. And here you're going to see a number of histories that your document has gone through and the dates when these changes were happening. As you can see here, this is the new version. And when you click here, you're going to see all these versions and what has changed. As you can see, this is what we had. It's no longer there in the new version. When you click here, you can see all this is another version of the same document that we are working on right now. And so these are the versions here. Now, the good thing about this is you can just simply click on any of these versions. And if you want this, you can simply click on the restore this version. Now, what you should know is that when you are restoring a version, is you are restoring this version only. You're going to have contents of this version. Any recent changes that were made to the document that you are working on, they are not going to be part of the restored version because this is going back. The latest version is this one. And so all the changes that are made to this are not going to be part of the restored previous version. This is the latest version and these are older versions. And so the good thing about this is you can rename them also. You can simply click on these three dots and you're going to see the new name this version. And so you can just click there and you can name it and give it a name of your choice. And when you do that, on top here you have the option to sort or filter these items by named versions or all versions, and by default this is what you're going to have, but you can filter by named version, which means only the versions that are named, they're the ones you want to have, so only those are going to appear here. So this is a very good feature in Google Docs because it allows you to go back to also previous versions of the same document. It just gives you the flexibility to work with your Google Docs document, flexibly without having to struggle a lot about, worrying about the versions, the previous versions of the same document. If you still want the previous versions, you can still go back to them and edit them or do whatever you want with them. This is simply how you can actually work with the history version in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.